Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 46 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is fall weather. And I've got these little boys with their coats and their boots and their hats on. A road sign. I have got this road sign here. A pattern with stripes. I've got my background paper. Light. I've got this lamp here. Something found in a forest. I've got these little animals here. And the bonus is a flower. And I've got these flowers here. And everything except, of course, my background paper came from this autumn ephemera. So this worked out really well. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. All right, let's lay this thing out and see what we get. I'm doing pretty good. Mississippi State's supposed to play again. You just never know with them. Okay. Kind of limited on my space. I'm going to have these little boys up high, like they'll be coming down the road eventually. Let's see. And I have this little squirrel on the pathway there. And I want to have this little, I think he's a chipmunk if I'm not mistaken, right along with those little boys. We can put the lantern up here. And I have got this that I may just put down there. And this one, just tuck it in back there to fill up the page. And I like that. It's a little busy, but I'm okay with that. I enjoy the fall and using some of my fall ephemera because we'll be really hitting the Christmas soon. Christmas in the winter. Y'all, splurged and got the Hallmark Channel, and I really enjoy it. I binge watched the Mistletoe Murders, and I really enjoyed that. That's how I ended up with Hallmark Channel, because on my Hulu, I was had it at, well, I think it was Roku, had it at the very top, Mistletoe Murder. So I thought, oh, I'll just watch it, you know. I thought it was a movie, and I would just watch that. And I watched it, and it left me hanging, and realized it was a series, not a movie. And I love Hallmark anyway, but when it comes to the live Hallmark, I don't ever get to see it, you know, because I can't work my time around to the shows that I want to watch are on. So this worked out really well. And let's see here. Yeah, just kind of. So it was, I enjoyed it. Like I said, I binge watched. I'm caught up with it, so it left me hanging. So I've got to wait till the next show comes out. Okay. The squirrel there. Tuck this in here. Tuck him in there. Then I'm on the 4th book, rereading the Shay Archer series of Jana DeLeon. Now they're a more thriller type book. They're really good, you know, real serious, real gritty. But I also love the Jana DeLeon. It was Louisiana Longshot was the first one, and it's free. It's the first Shay Archer is free on Kindle if you want to check it out. Because the Louisiana Long Shots, the Misfortune series, and it is hilarious. I laugh so hard. I mean, books that make me laugh out loud, I love. And I love those old ladies in there, Ida Bell and Gertie. It reminds me of people I know. Okay, I do want to kind of highlight some of these. Let's see. I think I want to use a gel pen. Take off that tip. I haven't used this one before. I'm just gonna to give them some definition. There we go. That's the thing, when you have a busy background, sometimes you just need to outline a little, and it will help. I think these little fellas are so cute. Reminds me of some of the babies I used to take care of when I worked. I worked in a daycare, and I had the little ones that were just starting to, they would go from the crawlers to the, it was technically called the creeper class. That by the time they left, they could walk. I had to teach them how to eat table food and all of that good stuff. But they are so sweet. They can be a handful. Okay. But I love my babies. So I just think that helps it just a little bit. I'll go ahead and go around my little furry friends here. This year has gone by so fast. It is just so hard to believe. I mean, this is week 46. That means we only have 6 more Margarete Millers in this year. And that is just so unreal. All right, and of course, I want to add some gold splatters. I think that's the right brush. Oh, maybe it is. Okay. Just a little darker gold. Okay. So we've got our fall weather, which the whole thing is fall. A road sign. We have got pattern with stripes. We have got light. Something found in a forest. A flower. I did say stripes, I think. So we got a flower. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2025CWP46. I'll have it all listed in my description box down below. Y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, y'all have a great and wonderful week. Bye, y'all.